Mach 1 seat, I think. I don't know. Oh, what the? St. Patrick's Day. What is this? That's a head gasket. This is a headlight bucket, I believe. So blue. This looks important. I don't know what this. Oh my gosh! We have to figure out where that goes. Alright, so this is day 2 of the 65 coupe restoration. We're working on this 65 here. It was originally, I think it's pronounced Wimblum white, something like that. And it was repainted red, I'm thinking sometime in the 70s. We found a bunch of change in it, and the newest penny we could find, newest anything, was from 1980, and we found a bunch of them. So I'm guessing this thing was parked in 80 or 81, and it's been sitting till now, so that'd be like 41 years it's been sitting roughly. Picked this car up 2 days ago, so this is day 2 of the entire build. We got the car almost stripped to a bare shell, minus we got some glass here, these quarter windows, and a little thing is going on with the dash. This car is going to be a full restoration for Lauren's grandma. We're gonna make it pristine. I'm gonna try to do as, you know, factory as possible. There might be a couple things resto modish type. We got quite a bit of rust repair. We didn't think the car was this bad when we got it. We knew it would require some rust. The doors we thought were mint, but you know, the thing was, once again, it was buried in the weeds. You never know what you're getting until you start digging in. And we knew it was gonna need some quarter work. I saw Bondo right there before. Once we pulled the interior, we realized this thing needed entire floorboard. But it's all fixable. You can get all the parts, CJ Pony parts. We started ordering stuff the day we bought it. We were like, we need to get this build going. So right now I got this. I stopped cutting till I get the full pan. I cut roughly where I could see where the pan will go, but I stopped cutting just in case if that pan doesn't cover a certain area. Started pulling the front suspension. We are going to do a disc brake conversion on this thing, and we're gonna keep the manual steering. It's geared. It sounds like it would be really tough, but the manual steerings are geared so high, it just means it's really lock to lock is a lot of turns, so it's not fast like a new car. But that's okay. If this is a weekend cruiser or just around town, if it's not they're not racing it at a track or nothing, it'll be totally fine. We'll keep the updates going day by day. I hope you guys enjoy this build.